This is the G41S W-beam on strong steel post guardrail. The post and blockout sections are W6 by 8.5, or using the new metric designation, W150 by 13. Notice that the snagging was so severe that the pickup truck bent in the center, as if it were jackknifing. This is a very commonly used guardrail in this country. Originally, it was thought that bending of the web of the blockout in the impact zone reduced the effective blockout distance and caused the snagging problem. However, it's now known that that's only part of the story. The steel post failed in lateral torsional buckling at ground line.